Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And we have a dust collector here to open and check out. It is from Saviland. Thank you, Saviland, for sending this over for me to check out and review. Let's look at this box. So, I don't know what this means. There's an AB, ultra silent, large suction nail dust collector. Let's open it up. So when we open it, this is what we see. Looks like we have an extra filter, good to have. Some sort of little certificate for passing inspection. We've got some instructions here. Let's have a quick peek. Oh, they get quite large. So it's got specifications about the dust collector, 3,500 RPM, 48 watts. Ooh, it has a digital screen. It talks about the outlets. You can wash the filters. That's nice. It does recommend for you to put one of those little paper things over your filter, which I have some. And then to use the knob for turning it on and off. And then it looks like this side is the same. Huh. Interesting. They're not even different languages. So here is our charging cord. It looks like it's got this post. I find a lot of these nail dust collectors and lamps and, you know, such, they have the same kind of charger. Already, I'm like, ooh, what's this? You guys, wait. Look how pretty that is. Ugh, I love that sparkle. There's the vents, that's where you plug it in. Here's the back, another vent, and the bottom is vented. It's got this protective film over the screen. Let's get that off. Oh yeah, beautiful. The knob has a play pause and it rotates. I don't think it's rechargeable. I like this grate. The holes are big. I find the ones that have smaller holes, they don't really catch as much because a lot of your dust gets stuck on these bars, and you can get your finger in here so that it's easier to lift out. I have had a dust collector that I couldn't get the metal grate out because not only was it not trimmed in plastic like this one is, thank you Saviland for trimming it in plastic so it's not a razor blade, but you couldn't really get a hold of that one either, and so it was more difficult. Oh, and it looks like the filter actually has a little ribbon to help you get that out with ease. And there's an additional screen before the fan. Now that's new. None of my other dust collectors have an additional filter here. If it gets past this, it's not getting past this. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Let's plug this in. So let's look at this. We'll look at the inside in a moment. So click. What? What is this? Is this because I don't have the top on or because it's tipped up? Let's see what happens if I lay it down. It still beeps. Okay. I'm going to tip it up maybe because we haven't got it going. Okay, so we can see the speed. It goes up to 10, but it's not actually on. I wonder if this is a safety feature because the inside of this grate has these magnets. And I bet there's a sensor that goes along with them to make sure that it's on. Let's put this on without the filter so we can look down in there and see. Oh my God. That's what it is. So this is 3. Here's 8. And here's 10. So let's listen to that. Let's look. We've got some suction here. I wonder what happens if we pull this off. Let's see if it'll stop. Oh my goodness. Look at that. You are not about to accidentally stick your hand in here and cut your finger off. Wow. It's so safety conscious. Let's see if it can hold this. It did not. Wow, that's disappointing. It's putting out a lot of air here. Maybe it's because it's too much. Let's tip it up now. Okay, yeah, it was the shape of it. That's holding. Okay. Let's turn this off. I'm going to put this filter back in. I am really impressed with this thing so far. Great job, Saviland. Alright, so it's put back together. Let's turn her back on. And okay, so it's on. Now let's get our piece of paper again and stick it. Yes, it's still working. I wonder what else we can stick to it. What about a post-it? Easy, of course, of course. What about a business card? Those are a little heavier. Yeah, definitely so. What can we stick to this that it might not hold? I wonder if it can hold this. I don't think so, because this is pretty heavy. Yeah, no, that just slides around. It's such a slippery material. Huh. Yeah, no, that's too heavy. Can it hold a nail file? Nope. Okay. So it doesn't like heavy things, but it does hold paper things. I mean, you can feel the suction on here. I don't think putting one of those little film things on here is gonna dampen that down. And it does blow a lot of air out. It feels pretty strong. I am going to have to use this IRL and maybe post an update about it. I already have a favorite dust collector that I have a video on. So definitely do check that video out. I'll try to remember to link it, but if not, it is, you know, on my channel. Let me turn this off so I'm not yelling at you. So, I do have a favorite one, but it's rechargeable, and that is something that I do love. But man, this is so pretty. So if you don't mind one that has to be plugged in, this is gorgeous. I will also be leaving it linked, of course. So if you're in the market for a dust collector, go check this one out. And I don't exactly recall the price. I'll have to look and see what that is, and I'll stick that in here for you somewhere. Prices do change. Saviland stuff goes on sale all the time as well, so you may even be able to get it for more affordably than what it is when I get this, but this is gorgeous. I really like it. It's so pretty. But anyway, that's what I wanted to come here and talk to you about. I wanted to show you this dust collector, and I will let you go. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.